nyae mesaka. Wadhi nyime nyaka Ramogi donjo ni Kisumu. Tend kaunti ma Kisumu kotelnegi kod gavana mar kaunti no Nyong'o koro owuok tung mosuo kod jotend migepe ma pacho ka Mudavadi kuom nyolieko ni kaunti ma Kisumu sani onge kod lwasi maber mar timo ohala kata keto mwandu. Nyong'o seyo Mudavadi ka wacho ni Kisumu ni kod kwe kod lwasi makare ne joket mwandu.
In an address a few days ago in Western Kenya to a partisan audience, portrayed Kisumu as a place where investments are insecure. Let it be known that Musalia himself is a landowner and a notable investor in the city of Kisumu. I have not, as the governor of this great county, received any complaints from Mr. Mudavadi, regarding the insecurity of his investments and properties in this city. But eager to please his boss by mouthing the typical UDA Kenya Kwanza propaganda, replete with ethnic profiling, he has recklessly tried to besmirch the good name that Kisumu enjoys nationally and internationally to achieve a narrow and selfish political ambition.
County